This video shows you how to fill the ink tank on your printer during initial printer setup. Before you begin, unpack your printer as shown on the Start Here sheet and place the printer in an area close to a power outlet. Also, be sure to review the notes, cautions, and warnings on the Start Here sheet. Open the ink tank cover and cap. Remove the ink bottle from its packaging. Hold the bottle upright and slowly turn the bottle cap to remove it. Do not shake or squeeze the bottle. Position the top of the bottle along the slot and slowly stand the bottle up to insert it. Wait for the ink to stop flowing. Do not squeeze the bottle. Ink flows into the tank and stops when the ink bottle is empty. If ink does not flow from the bottle, lift and reinsert the bottle. When ink stops flowing, remove the bottle and securely close it with the cap. Close the ink tank cap and cover. Connect the power cord. Turn on the printer. Select your language, country, time zone, date, and time. When you see this screen, press and hold the Help button for 5 seconds. When this screen appears, select Done to start charging the ink. Ink charging takes about 10 minutes. Do not turn off the printer, raise the printer cover, or load paper while the ink is charging, or you'll waste ink. A message appears on the screen when ink charging is finished. Follow the on-screen instructions to adjust the print quality. When you are finished adjusting the print quality, follow the rest of the instructions on the Start Here sheet to continue setting up your printer. Occasionally, check the ink level as you use your printer. If the ink level is at or below the lowest mark, refill the tank. Do not let the ink level reach the bottom of the tank or you may damage your printer.